We gotta go and try again in feeder number 7. Man, it's freaking cold outside. It's like freaking 24 degrees Fahrenheit. So, but like always, man, we select what we shoot to maintain population, except for the hogs. Hogs are like God, and all that too, man. They're like population is so freaking big. So, all right, like freaking blind. It's cold. God, man, this blind needs some freaking repairs. Look at that shit. It fell off, but it's anchored now. Yeah, like what I said, I did not see the shot. I don't know why. Freaking gun jump. Wasn't holding it right. We gotta go look at it. I think we got it though. It's not that I flinch, I did not. It's just the gun like kind of freaking moved. We'll stop right here. See if we have any freaking blood. Yeah. She was going for that alpha right here. Oh, we missed. All right. There's the blood right there. We need to track her. There's another blood right there, so she's here somewhere. And for safety, we're gonna turn off the camera so we know where we're going. Yeah, she ran through there. Well, there's the truck right there. And she is right there. Right there. It's just kind of camouflage. It's just kind of hard to see, and they're like thorns in front of me. There she is. So she ran probably about about 40 feet, maybe 50 feet. Call it 20 yards. Now we're gonna retrieve her, and we're on the side of the cliff, so we have to pull her out. Now that we have our deer in the safe area, we're gonna tag her now. Here's the Texas hunting license. You want to put your name, property name, the county name, property name, and the date. In our case, we got our second doe. We're done hunting for the season. We're not getting any more deer. And of course, one of the tags with a white tail, you're gonna mark it too. So far this year, we got a turkey and 2 deer, and that's pretty much what we need. And probably we're just gonna hunt for hogs now. So anyways, see you at the skinning station. Oh, don't forget to take out the tabs right there. There's the tab right there for the month and the date. Make sure you cut that off. It's required. So, all right, here's a doe that we dispatched this morning. But And the first thing I'm gonna do is cut a square right here, a little skin right here, attached to the ham, and on the nipple for the Fish and Game to show a proof of sex of the animal. And you also want to tag your animal where you caught it. Right now, I got a tag in my pocket to prevent it from losing it accidentally. As soon as we quarter this thing, we're gonna put it back to the meat, and preferably you're gonna attach it where the nipple is, so it's like a one-shot thing. When you quarter your deer, you want to be able also you want to cut it, so you want to be able to assemble it just in case you get an inspection. For the state of Texas, you're not allowed to process your deer until it reaches its final destination. In our case, we're going home to Bakersfield in California, so we can only quarter this deer. We cannot process it. You may take some to eat now. The Fish and Game allows you to do that. Last time I checked. So we're probably gonna get this piece right here, the meat, like real thin, right on top of the ribs. We're gonna make a frittata out of it. I'll show you guys how to make that. It's pretty fast and it's pretty good. A lot of my friends, it's a Filipino cuisine, but a lot of my friends, they were born here, Caucasian guys, all races, they like it a lot. So I'm gonna show you that. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and skin this deer, and I'm gonna take my time. I'm not gonna rush this thing. There you go. There you go. Since it's going to be